Okay, Robby here, Dodgy Garage, mobile DPF cleaning. This is a Range Rover Evoque, very nice vehicle. It's the Cabriolet, and customer says that the warning lights are on, which they are. So I've already dialed in, the dongle goes over there on these vehicles. I've already dialed in, and what we have here is exhaust gas recirculation B, insufficient flow detected. So that's your low pressure EGR. There is a EGR valve past the DPF, and when the DPF is cracked, it lets soot through and it goes up to the low pressure EGR, and it blocks the filter, and you then get a exhaust gas recirculation B, which is the low pressure. Insufficient flow detected means that filter is blocked. And a secondary test is to actually come to the exhaust, and you put your finger in the exhaust, and there you have it. That's a block, that's a cracked DPF. The problem here is as if you look at that mileage, 37,000, and it's already got a cracked DPF. I think that's scandalous. Anyway, next thing that we do is just have a look at the read data stream as a matter of interest. So this is going to be a new DPF at 37,000 miles. I'm just going to find differential pressure, which is that one there, and at idle we're at 0 millibars. So these vehicles usually run at around 11-12 millibars, so typically you'd like to see that at 10. Rev her up a little bit, let's see if we can get any. Okay, we have got movement when we rev it up a little bit. 2,500 with 30 millibar. Okay, so we are sort of the higher end of the, because it's moving up to the 10 millibar, but that DPF is not blocked, as because it's cracked. So I'll clear the fault codes, and that's it for this customer. That's it. See you in the next one.